Hey everyone, here I am with a Lince padlock from Spain. Got a beautiful Lynx on the back. This is the 350 5-pin Dimple lock. Does work quite well. Nice construction, very nice indeed. And for this I'm using a number 2 Dimple pick from Multipick. Slight click off 1, 2, feels like it's stuck. 3. Drop something, I feel things. 1, 2, 3. Good turn on the core. Now, see if we can find the pin that's now keeping it stuck, closed, as it were. Gently means I don't have to tickle this into position. I'm going to start to think about raking it. Okay, slight click there. We'll get a lot of feedback off these picks. Okay, there's definitely one there. Just needs subtly just twitching into place. Okay. There's a subtle twitch off 4. There we go. You'll be very careful. Well, I find I have to be gentle to get it to open like that. Anyway, take everyone. Goodbye.